The general equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Center is given by minus g comma minus f. Radius r equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. The equation can be recognized because it is given by a quadratic expression in both x and y with no xy term. Coefficients of x square and y square are equal. Here in this case, x square coefficient is 1 and y square coefficient is 1. The coefficients of x square and y square are equal. And there is no xy term. Find the center and radius of the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Now, comparing with the general equation of the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, we get 2g equal to minus 6 and 2f equal to 4. Hence, g equal to minus 3 and f equal to 2. Center is given by the formula minus g comma minus f. Hence, the center is 3 comma minus 2. The formula for calculating radius is square root of g square plus f square minus c. Square root of g minus 3 whole square, f square 2 square minus c means minus 12. Minus 3 whole square equal to minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9. 2 square equal to 2 into 2, 4. Minus of minus 12 means plus 12. So, adding 9 plus 4 plus 12, we get 25 and hence square root of 25 is 5 units. This is how we can find the center of the circle and radius of the circle if the general equation of the circle is given. Find the center and radius of the circle x square plus y square plus 8x plus 7 equal to 0. Now, comparing with the standard form of the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, we get 2g equal to 8 and hence g equal to 4. 2fy equal to 0. There is no y term and hence 2f equal to 0. Therefore, f equal to 0. From this, center of the circle is minus g comma minus f equal to minus 4 comma 0. Now, we calculate the radius of the circle by the formula r equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. Square root of g square 4 square plus f square 0 square minus c 7. So from this we get 4 square. 4 into 4, 16. 0 square means 0 minus 7. Square root of 16 minus 9, that equal to square root of 9 equal to 3. Now we have calculated the center of the circle and radius of the circle. Center formula is minus g comma minus f. Radius formula is square root of g square plus f square minus c, and standard equation of the circle is general equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Center of the circle 2x square plus 2y square minus 8x minus 7 equal to 0. The general equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Hence, we must make the coefficient of x square as 1 and coefficient of y square as 1. So, dividing this equation 2x square plus 2y square minus 8x minus 7y equal to 0 by 2 on both sides, we get x square, 2x square by 2 equal to x square, 2y square by 2 y square, minus 8x by 2 minus 4x, minus 7y by 2 minus 7y by 2 equal to 0 by 2 means 0. Now, we compare this equation x square plus y square minus 4x minus 7 by 2y equal to 0 with the general equation of the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now, 2g equal to minus 4 and hence g equal to minus 2. 2f equal to minus of 7 by 2. Hence, f can be written as minus 7 by 4. Center of circle is minus g comma minus f. Center of circle is minus g comma minus f. Hence, 2 comma 7 by 4. Now, we calculate the radius. Comparing with this standard form, the value of c is 0. There is no 0 in the given equation and hence c value is 0. Therefore, r equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c, that equal to square root of g square minus 2 whole square plus f square minus 7 by 4 whole square minus c minus 0. The equal to square root of minus 2 whole square means minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 plus minus 7 by 4 whole square equal to minus 7 by 4 into minus 7 by 4, that equal to plus 49 by 16. Now, simplifying this one, we get square root of 113 by 16, or it can be written as 1 by 4 square root of 113. Now we have calculated the center minus g comma minus f equal to 2 comma 7 by 4 and radius r equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c equal to 1 by 4 square root of 113. So we have used the standard equation, general equation of the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0.